Hello YouTube world, my name is Dan Bird. How are you doing today? So today is day number 2 of my Clickbank a buck per day series. Just wanted to welcome you all to my videos. First of all, if you would please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And yesterday is, if this is your first time seeing the videos, this will be day 2. If you would mind, go up here and click on day 1 and watch that video first. It just goes over, talks about some of the setup process and stuff like that. If you go click on the video and go below here under show more, I have several links on here. I have the daily email swipes, and I'll talk more about that here in a second. I also have a couple of other great business opportunities. The 25 business series, if you click on this link right here, it'll take you to my YouTube series talking about the Home Business Academy, which is another great program. It is only $25 and it pays 80% residual commissions. There we go. Waiting for the video to come up. I'm waiting for it to stop playing here. Let me pause this for a second. Now here it is. Okay, it's coming up now. So if you click down here on show more and you click on simple $25 business, that'll take you to this page here, and you just enter your first name and your best email, and then it will take you to a page where you can learn more about the Home Business Academy. It's a great program. You earn 80% residual incomes with the Home Business Academy. I can't think of too many other programs where you can earn 80% residual incomes every month with this. Oh, got a dog barking. Hold on, let me pause the video for a second. I got that resolved. So anyway, after you enter your name and your email address, this page here will pop up. And you can watch this. It's a great video. It's about 28 minutes long, and it talks about the Home Business Academy. It's can get you profitable really fast. I've done really well with this program over the past year or so. You can create residual incomes, and like I say, what's really great about it is it's only $25 to get started. You can't beat 80% residual incomes, so it's a great program. If you would go ahead and check that out, I would really appreciate it. And so for today, we're going to continue on with Clickbank. And so hopefully by now you've already signed up with Clickbank. And so if you go ahead and sign in or log into your Clickbank account, I'm already logged in here. And then under affiliate marketplaces, you want to go to, like we talked about yesterday, we want to go to e-business and e-marketing. So you want to click on e-business and e-marketing. And then this page pops up. And after you get to this page here, it's going to default to rank high to low, but we want to rank by gravity. So you go down here and you click gravity and rank high to low. So the next page pops up, and then it's going to give you several different programs. Yesterday, I would stick with the top 6 or 7 programs, maybe stay with 50 or above. But yesterday we started with the live chat jobs. And so what you want to do is you want to leave this page open right here, but you want to click on the affiliate page and then open it in a new link. And then this is the affiliate link. Okay, yesterday, what you want to scroll down to is yesterday we sent email number 1. I sent it later on in the evening. Because I had already sent some emails using MLGS, but then what we want to do is open up this email and then go back to our the video under Clickbank, my Clickbank video. If you scroll right down here, it says daily email swipes. You want to click on it, and then this page here will pop up. Now this page, I'm going to be entering in the emails each day for you. But if you like, you can just make a copy of this. But I'm going to go ahead and just keep entering in the new emails per page. And so what we want to do is we want to go back to our Clickbank page here, and so we have email number 2. So we want to highlight this, get paid to answer simple questions, $280 a day. So you want to Control C that, and then dump that into our email, or into our page here, and then copy the body. So hi, and then copy all the way down to the hop link. So copy this entire thing, and dump that back into our Google Doc here. All right. So what we want to do is go ahead and, like I showed you yesterday, but you want to go ahead and enter the nickname that you decided to use for your Clickbank. So mine is Birdie's. So oops. It goes right after affiliate before vendors here. So all right, and enter that. And don't worry about signature stuff like that. We'll get all that here in a second. And so once you get this entered in, this will be, that's day 1. So what we'll do is we'll cut and paste that down here. So this is email number 2, day 2. All right. So now you want to go, after you do this, you want to go in and to your My Lead Gen Secrets and go ahead and log into your first account. So here's my account. And don't forget, you can go to the affiliate section and learn more about My Lead Gen Secrets. Like I say, I have 5 accounts. I decided to open up 5 accounts right away, and I'm glad I did, because every day you get more and more leads. If you when you first log into the account, it talks about, maybe you'll go ahead and read through that if you haven't already, but you start out getting 100 leads per day. But if you sponsor someone, if someone comes in underneath you, then you get an extra 100 leads per day. Also, I talked to you about yesterday making sure to go ahead, and if you decide to get one more account, to cut and paste this link right here and put it and drop it into that URL, and then make sure that you create another account under your own account, because that way the first account will get the $100 bonus leads per day, and plus you'll receive commissions off of your own account. But anyway, you can also, and another thing you could do with great about My Lead Gen Secrets, you can also promote My Lead Gen Secrets program. Also, if you click on affiliates, there's some example emails and different things you can use if you want to go ahead and promote My Lead Gen Secrets and then receive affiliate commissions off of it. And actually, they have a pretty good program. If you sponsor 5 or more folks in a week, or you get 5 sales in a week, you get actually a $100 bonus each week. So that works out pretty well. I've received that several times, and it's a really great program. But My Lead Gen Secrets is great. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and go back and click on home, and you go ahead and create message. And then you want to select all. And that puts all the leads over into the right column. So now we want to go in the subject, we want to go back to our document. And so we want email number 2, and go ahead and copy this subject line. Here. And then copy the body of the text. And make sure you Control V, don't use right click because it won't work right. Okay, under name, once again, we want to go ahead and delete the name and grab their first name here. This is how they have it set up to be coded, so that it grabs their first name off of the email, off your potential sale. So, and then usually I go ahead and highlight there, make that bold. All right. So you want to make sure you read through these, because sometimes they'll have a country and you have to change it to US. So just make sure you read it. see here, contract link. Oh, see, so then you want to look for the click here. So you want to go ahead and highlight, click here to complete your application if interested. And then you click the URL, then you go back. And then all you got to do is just grab your hop link. Now this hop link, I'll show you this in a second, is set up for this email automatically. Okay, then you want to click OK. So after you do that, you make sure there are no other places to where you have to put that top link, and then go ahead and put your name and your business if you like, a picture if you like. And then another thing you need to do, and I didn't talk about this yesterday, but the good thing to do is go ahead and click preview and just read through your email, and then go ahead and click open a new the link to make sure that it's being directed. So here you go, get paid to answer simple questions, $280 per day, and click here to apply. And so this is what they will see when they click on your link. Then it grabs their email and then goes through the process. They can read through. And so it's a pretty neat program how it's set up. Each email is specifically designed to go to a different place. So get it paid to answer simple questions, $280 per day, and your name, and then whatever else, all that information you can put. Sometimes I'll put my email, so some contact information in there. It just depends on what you want to put in there. And then what you want to make sure you want to do is click perfect timing. After you double check it and make sure everything looks good. Everything looks good. So then you want to go ahead, click perfect timing. What perfect timing does is it picks the best times that emails, the times that people generally like to read their emails. I think in the morning and in the early evening are the best times. It picks the best times to actually send the emails out. And then what you want to go ahead and do is click send emails. All right, so that first one is sent out. All right, so what you want to do next is you want to leave this page open. Now this is for folks who have decided to open up more than one account. And so what you want to do is you want to leave this account open, and then go ahead and open up myleadgensecrets.com on another page. And then what you want to do is go ahead and click member login again, and make sure and just go ahead and log out on this new page, and then go member login once again, and then click on your next lead or your next account. So open up, find another account here. I have several different accounts, so let's see, let's go with this one. All right, yeah, we'll use this one here. Okay, this is another account, and like I say, I use these accounts for multiple different things, and so My Lead Gen Secrets is just one of them. I alternate days, or sometimes I'll pick like 3 days and use it for one business, and then other 4 days I'll use it for My Lead Gen Secrets and Clickbank. It just depends. Sometimes I'll promote My Lead Gen Secrets. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click, once you're in the new account, click home and then create a message. Make sure you select all of your leads. And then all you got to do is go back and then copy the subject and paste it into the subject line. And then scroll down here. And so everything should be good to go in this account here, or in this email text. And you want to go ahead and highlight it, and then click perfect timing. So, and if you like, you can go ahead and double check and preview it if you like, to make sure that it's everything's kosher in this account. And so then what you do is you go ahead and you click send email and get it out. So we'll go ahead and do that. Click send email. So I think I talked a little bit about this yesterday. So when you decide to open up more than one account, so you start getting 200 leads a day, You decide to promote MLGS. It's another way you can start receiving commissions and 200 leads per day. It really adds up. So now I have 60,000 leads in this specific account that I have, but I have 5 of them, and I have a little more in some of the other accounts, and a little bit less in some of the other accounts that are just a little bit newer. But overall, I have about 300,000 leads, and so it really helps. And you got to play the long game with this. You just can't expect to have like 400 leads and expect to start receiving sales. You really need to be patient with this and stick with it. It's going to take a couple of 2 or 3 months before you really start seeing sales. You might see an occasional sale before that, but then after 2 or 3 months, maybe 4, it just depends. Sometimes I started getting sales around that 2-month time frame before the sales really start to pick up. So it's a really neat program, my lead gen secrets. And so like I say, I suggest that you get more than one account, but that's completely up to you. You can start out with one if you like. It's completely up to you. And then I mentioned, if you're interested, I have some other links on my Clickbank page. If you would like to start sending traffic, or if you need traffic, this is make sure you click on this Get Traffic Now, sign up for Traffic Authority, and then use this link to get discounted traffic. And so, like I say, the Clickbank, it's a great program. Hope you decide to take advantage of it. And then please, if you would, check out my take $25 and turn into 6 figures in just a few months. Check out my other program. I have a complete series on it, and I'm not done with that series. I'm still adding on. I'm going to start taking questions and start doing videos on some of the questions that I have. And then eventually I'm going to teach you how to do kind of the same thing that I'm doing right here, how to promote this business on YouTube. And so those are my future plans. And both these series are brand new. I just did them within the past couple of weeks, and I plan on continuing and doing some more. And so that's day 2 of the Clickbank series. If you would, once again, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channels. That would be great. And as per usual, I appreciate you watching my videos, and it's nice chatting with you. Thanks.